Tonight we're testing a new flashlight that has some unique features that I wanted to try. This is an 1800 lumen flashlight from Nicron, and so far, I'm really liking it. And this flashlight comes shipped to your door, ready to light up your area as well. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a Type-C charging cable, spare O-ring, and then your flashlight. The flashlight comes complete with a twisting head, so you can angle the light where you need it. It has a nice grip to it, and even comes with a pocket clip to help keep this on your person. On the bottom of the flashlight, you have a strong magnet, so you can stick this to something metal and light up the area. Then if you unscrew the back, you'll find a battery tab that you need to remove, as well as a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery. Now you can press and hold the power button and the flashlight powers on. Then you can press the button again to cycle through the 4 different brightness levels. Then you can push and hold the button for a second and it'll switch over to red light, and click the flashlight again to enable strobe mode in red light. Then you can push and hold the button for 3 seconds to enable white strobe mode, and click the flashlight again to switch to SOS mode, and push it one more time to shut it off. And that's all the settings. So now on to a brightness test. I took it outside and switched it to the brightest setting, and you can see the trees all the way in the distance lighting up. For being so tiny, it's definitely quite bright. I went on a little night hike and used this flashlight to see where I was going. It allowed me to see everything, and I even had to turn down the brightness in the closed trails. Now something unique about this flashlight is the little tabs on the sides. It shines a bit of light out of them and causes lens flares on the camera that look pretty cool. Then I was able to switch the flashlight to the 90-degree work mode and clip it on my coat pocket. I walked around hands-free and it lit up my area well. That feature is honestly pretty cool. I can even magnet it on the wall and light up my work area. Then the red light is helpful too. I use that at night to make sure all of our chickens are in bed and safe for the night. Not to mention, it's extremely durable and even IP65 waterproof. Overall, I'm really happy with this flashlight. It's really bright and gives me options to have that perfect light coverage. So if you're looking for a new flashlight to light up your area as well, this flashlight from Nicron might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another night hike. See ya.